In this video, let's talk about what is the best solution for Leopard 8 wheel plus fitment. The best solution for achieving a wheel plus fitment depends on various factors, including the specific vehicle and design aesthetic. We can get a wheel plus stance by installing 6 by 5.5-inch wheel spacers on your Leopard 8, aftermarket wheels, custom fender flares, or suspension adjustment. The most cost-effective and the most common method is to install Leopard 8 wheel spacers. Leopard 8 wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Leopard 8 wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. 6 by 5.5-inch wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-built appearance. Using Leopard 8 wheel spacers allows you to safely fit a wider tire on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you are looking to upgrade to wheels with good Leopard 8 wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of 6 by 5.5-inch wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are for more than 76 SGS anti-retouch research. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size, from 25mm to 50mm. BONOSS Leopard 8 wheel spacers are forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default in danger jam safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Leopard 8 wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the BONOSS forged active cooling Leopard 8 wheel spacers are designed with heat extraction groups to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat exchange effect and improving the safety. So, the best solution for wheel plus fitment is to install high-quality Leopard 8 wheel spacers